Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing the 3 watch slot pouch. So this is going to be the travel box that you can fit up to 3 watches inside. This was sent to us by DUKWIN. We actually reached out to them because we saw that they have some very nice products and they are going to ship to both Europe and the United States. So this is going to be the outer box. I really like the fact that they actually have a box that fits perfectly the pouch. We have another box. This is going to be the cardboard box that actually has the pouch inside. So let's have a look. So as you can see here, we have DUKWIN, a thoughtful gift for a time well spent. And here, as you can see, they're going to have different sizes when it comes to their watch rolls. So we have the model for 1 watch, 2 watches, and 3 watches. This is going to be the one for the 3 watches. And if I am not mistaken, I believe it is going to be the blue version. Here you can see that they have eco-friendly vegan leather. You can also see the wrist size and also the suitable dial, so up to 50 millimeters. This is going to be really good, and also up to 20 millimeters in thickness. And something really cool that I saw is that they also have a hidden jewelry capsule, so a hidden compartment for jewelry. So let's unveil the watch roll. The watch roll is going to come inside this very interesting bag, as you can see, also signed by DUKWIN. I'm going to open it up right here. Also some cardboard material there for extra protection. And here we have the watch roll. As I mentioned, it is going to be the blue version. The first impression is very good. Also the material feels very nice. So very nice attention to detail, very good quality, very nice materials. You can see that it is also signed here on the inner part. And here you can see that we have the places for our 3 watches. I'm going to take this out. And here we can also see that the finishing is also very nice right here. And here we have the anti-slipping mechanism that they have, so that it doesn't keep on rolling while you travel with your watches. Here we have the 3 slots, and as you can see, they are going to be removable. This is going to be the middle piece right here, and it is going to get on top of these 2 lateral pieces. I can also push this inner compartment, and as you can see, these 3 still hold together. You can pull them, and here we have the back of these 3 pillows, and here we have the, as I mentioned, the hidden jewelry compartment. So as you can see here, you can put inside your, let's say, jewelry, your rings, even your wife's rings. And here you can put even an extra leather strap, a necklace and other stuff, even some money if you want. So that is going to be something really cool. Also the material right here is going to feel very nice to the touch. So this is going to be very soft. And let's also put some watches onto the roll so that we see how it looks. And here we have 3 of my Casio watches inside. So we have an automatic, a quartz, and a digital Casio watch. And something really cool that I like is that I have a wrist size of 165 millimeters, so 6.5 inches. And I have adjusted the bracelets to my size, and as you can see, they fit perfectly. So I would say that you can fit up to maybe 160 millimeters and upwards. So if you have smaller watches on bracelets, they are not going to fit with the clasp closed, but you can always keep them like this. And as you can see, when it comes to leather straps, to rubber straps, Casio watches, you can definitely fit these without any worries. And now let's also put them together and also close the pouch so that we test it a little, because as I mentioned, they said that they are going to fit watches up to 20 millimeters in thickness. And I really like the fact that this very soft material is going to close, and it is going to be on top of your watches. So in case you have, let's say, a very bumpy ride, a very bumpy flight, this is going to protect your watches. So the watch crystal is going to be protected right here. You can actually push a little and feel that there is still a little bit of space right there. So that is going to be really cool. And when you arrive, you can also open it up, choose your watch and then close it. So this is going to be something really cool. So a very nice travel box for up to 3 watches. As I mentioned, they are going to also ship to Europe, the United States. So that is going to be something really cool. Eco-friendly leather, very nice material. I would say that this is going to be on the more premium and this is going to easily feel and look as a more expensive, so a more premium watch roll. So in my opinion, this is going to be a definitely buy in case you want to, let's say, up your game and you really like to travel with your watches. I'm also going to make a follow-up video and tell you my experience when it comes to actually traveling with this exact watch roll. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to this exact watch roll. I would definitely recommend to go and pick up the model with the 3 slots because in my opinion, you are going to have some variety when it comes to traveling. But if you are, let's say, a one watch collection type of person, you can definitely also grab the pouch with the 1 single slot. They also have some watch winders, some other products related to watches, so I would definitely recommend to go and check out all of their products because if they are as premium as this one, I would definitely go and grab one of them. And also I'm going to maybe test some other products in the future. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and in case you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.